The viral health hack everyone in the USA and UK is loving, 30 struggling with your health and fitness. There's a viral health hack sweeping the USA and UK, and it's all about tiny, simple habits that create big results. Stick around, and I'll show you how to start today. Habit 1. Start your day with water. It hydrates your body, boosts metabolism, and energizes you for the day ahead. Add a slice of lemon for extra benefits. Habit 2. Move for just 10 minutes daily. Walk, stretch, or dance. Small steps keep you active and consistent without feeling overwhelming. Habit 3. Plan your next day in 5 minutes. Whether it's meals, workouts, or goals, a plan makes you stay on track effortlessly. Habit 4. Switch one unhealthy snack for a healthy one. It's about progress, not perfection. Love chips? Try nuts or fruit instead. Habit 5. Go screen-free 30 minutes before bed. Better sleep means better energy and focus. Your body will thank you. These small habits create massive changes when done consistently. Which one will you try first? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more tips. Let's transform together.